While you're doing that, what Dave also did say yesterday, which I thought was absolutely amazing, is that he caters for everybody.
Exactly.
He said literally 20% of his stock that he has, whether it's the dressing, the rubs, or the sauces,
Exactly. Thanks, David.
is for the chili heads, and the 80% is for the average person like myself.
Exactly.
I'm not the average, I'm below average because I don't like the bite. But for the average person that likes the bite,
Now, he caters more for the normal type of
not for you.
heat lover. He's got stuff that is extremely hot, but the 90% of his market is more for the normal people like the Devon or Legion that also likes a bit of heat, but not the extreme heat. This is a sauce that Sam was just talking about, this yellow sauce from Fat Brew. It's the Magura Scorpion.
Yeah, that bites like a scorpion.
Believe me, it doesn't look hot. It looks like a real like a mustard type of sauce.